Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since April 11, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.7. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 30.84% since we first listed MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate 18 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.71% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $398 would initially indicate a stronger upward momentum. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 22.33% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 18.28% to positive 24.6%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 79.63%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 18.57% to 171.47% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of $465.36 to $1,065.47. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy Incorporated features the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, the stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated increased by 1.92%. moving from $385.08 to $392.48. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.08%, ranging from a low of $388.26 to a high of $396.35. The stock has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.52% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which indicates a positive technical sign. In total, 1 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with the overall trading volume reaching 10 million shares, amounting to approximately $4.11 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $543, while the lowest price was $102.40. Currently, the price stands at 27.72%, or $150.52, below the 52-week high of $543, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Insider buying has surged for MicroStrategy, now known as Strategy, indicating confidence from executives despite market fluctuations. The strong activity in insider purchases often signals a positive outlook on the company's performance, likely attracting investor interest in the short term. The stock's recent price movements suggest increasing momentum, particularly following gains on Friday attributed to favorable market signals. Additionally, Strategy recently showcased innovative artificial intelligence and data solutions at its annual conference, Strategy World 2025, emphasizing its strategic pivot toward integrating Bitcoin and advanced analytics. This positions the company to capitalize on the growing trend of AI-driven business solutions, potentially enhancing its long-term value. However, the company is under scrutiny due to legal investigations concerning its stock operations. This could introduce volatility and risk perception among investors, impacting stock performance in the short term. Yet, the ongoing accumulation of Bitcoin, supported by a successful $21 billion stock offering, adds substantial assets to its balance sheet, which could foster a bullish sentiment in the long run. Overall, while there are immediate concerns regarding investor sentiment and legal challenges, the long-term outlook for MicroStrategy remains buoyed by its strategic investments in technology and digital assets. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025, it was reported that Monnes rated MSTR as a sell with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Barclays again assigned MSTR an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that Compass Point provided MSTR with a buy rating along with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG rated MSTR as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support is expected at $385.95 and $326.76. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been noted, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by approximately 0.479%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 4 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 51 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $308.55 and $304.11. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a fall to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $308.55. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $304.11 and $296.86. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $8.09 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.08%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.81%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, Persistent negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts currently estimate earnings at a loss of 12 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $394.37. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated faces its first support level at $308.55. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Patton Jared M., who bought and sold 11,650 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 1.001. Overall, insiders purchased 366,604 shares and sold 378,683 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $379.28, representing a decrease of 3.36%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which significantly increases the associated risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 90, further elevating the risk involved. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open lower by approximately 12 cents, starting at $392.36. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of monetary loss. We recommend consulting with a financial advisor prior to making any purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.